The Kabira Industries engaged in service of transport of road transport in consignment 17th June 17 and made advance payment to transport on the same June. So 17th June they received the advance. Okay. However, the consignment could not be sent immediately on the account due to the strike. Instead, on 20th July, the invoice was received from the transport on 22 July. So June is done, but they instead send you to 20 July only they able to do the service. What is the time of supply in the transport of service? They have received the advance. So from the date of payment, advance or 61 days from the date of invoice. This is that. So in the time of supply of service taxable under the reverse charge basis earlier in the following 2 days. So section 13 subsection 3. What is the date of payment or 61 days on the date of issue of invoice, whichever is earlier. In this case, the date of payment proceeds 61 days on the date of invoice for the supplier of invoice services. Hence, the date of payment is 17th June, which will be treated as a time of supply as per section 13(3)(a). So, what is the conclusion? So, I have received the advance. When I received the advance 17th June. So, and what is the invoice we raised? 20th July. Invoice was received with transport on 22nd July. They sent invoice was later. So in this case, whichever is earlier, the portion is 17th June. Thank you.